Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. My name is David Tinashe. So on this video I'm going to show you on how you use a ob2 scanner. So the first thing is to find where the ob2 port is located on the car, and once you plug your socket, make sure your key is on, your ignition is on. So if you put your machine in, then the codes which are going to come at first, you need to clear them, and then start your car, let it idle for 5 minutes, and then switch it off, switch it on again, put back the machine. If those codes come back again, then you need to work on those codes. So on this car there's no any fault because everything was sorted, everything is fixed. So that is it guys, thank you for watching. Let me know if this video was helpful. Goodbye, see you on the next video.